Yes, good morning, children. Today we are going to read the next two part of our lesson Nayikas, Palegaras and Nadaprabhus. So first we finished the Nayikas of Keladi and Chitradurga. Now the third unit is the Nayikas of Surapura. So Surapura in Yadgir district is situated in between the river Krishna and Bhima. Surapura is a place where it is situated in Yadgir district between river Krishna and river Bhima. From 1637 to 1858 century, 12 Nayakas ruled this Surapura. Okay. Among them, Gaddipida Nayaka was the founder of this dynasty. Gaddipida Nayaka. His ancestor is before person, were in the Vijayanagar army. So they were also under the Vijayanagar army, a small kingdom under Vijayanagar army. They are one among the scattered groups after the fall of Vijayanagar Empire. So after the fall of Vijayanagar Empire, when all the kingdoms were scattered, among them the Surapura also was one. Later, after getting the official permission from Bijapur Adil Shahis, they started to rule from Vaginagere. So after getting the permission from Bijapur Adil Shahis, these Nayakas of Surapura started their rule from the place called Vaginagere. Pitambari Baharipida Nayaka from 1687 to 1726 century made Surapura his capital after constructing it. So this person called Pitambara Baharipida Nayaka, he constructed this capital Surapura and started the rule. Later, in accordance with the agreement between the British and the Hyderabad Nizams. So afterwards, there was some agreement between the British and Nizams of Hyderabad. Surapura came under the control of Hyderabad. So according to the agreement made by these two, this Surapura came under the control of Hyderabad. Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka. The son of Raja Krishnappa Nayaka, came to power. So Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka, the son of Raja Krishnappa, he was the son of Krishnappa Nayaka, he came to power. So when he came to power, the news of first war of Indian independence reached Surapura. So he was also the person who took part in this fight against the British by unifying the kings of South India. Means in the southern part, whichever the other kings were there, he united them and fought against the Britishers. He enlisted Arabs and Rohillas in his army. So he enlisted, means he included Arabs and Rohillas, who Krishnappa Nayaka, Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka. He included Rohillas and Arabs in his army, and he also started to train the army. On hearing these developments, the British officer, so when Arabs, Rohillas and Venkatappa Nayaka joined together and trained the army to fight against the British, and this news came known by British officer Thornhill, and he wrote a letter to Captain, his super official, that is Captain Campbell, on 24th December 1857 and directed him to take immediate action against Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka. So this person, that is Thornhill, wrote a letter to this person, that is Campbell, saying that to take a direct action against this Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka. The British regiment means British army entered Surapura to defeat this person. in 1858, and the battle ensued, means battle started. The enraged army of Surapura broke the bones of Stott. So enraged means angry. Those armies of Surapuras who was angry, who they broke the bones of Stott, means their fort, and Newberry also fell. Means that place also came under the control of Surapura. Meanwhile, Nalvadi Venkatappa Naika traveled to Hyderabad to bring the special forces of Arab and Rohil. So by this time, this Venkatappa Naika, he went to Hyderabad to ask the help of Arab and Rohil. The British officers entered Surapura and destroyed it. The British forces entered Surapura and destroyed this Arab, Rohil, and even Venkatappa Naik. The Prime Minister of Hyderabad, Nizam Salar Jung, handed over. So Nizam, Hyderabad Nizam Salar Jung, he himself handed Nalvadi Venkatappa Naika as if he is helping Nalvadi Krishna Raja, as if Salar Jung, the Nizam of Hyderabad, is saying that I'll help helping Nalvadi Venkatappa Naika, but he handed over this person to British. Intention of getting a favor. British kept Nalvadi Venkatappa Naika in a prison at Secunderabad. So British, as this person was taken into capture, he was kept in a jail, that is prison in Secunderabad. Later he was subjected to enquiry and was awarded death sentence. So afterwards he was taken to court, enquired, and he was awarded death sentence. On the peel means agreement, or on the request made by the British officer Meadow Taylor, the Governor General of India dropped the death sentence, condemned him for 4 years deportation. So this person Meadow Taylor, in the court, he gave a request that the death sentence should not be given to them, but instead of that 4 years they should be kept in the court. While he was taken to a fort in Chengalpet, so at that time when the Nalvadi Venkatappa Naika was taken to this Chengalpet, a place Chengalpet near Madras, the British betrayed and shot the resisting Venkatappa dead. So the British did not obey there, and finally they shot this Venkatappa Naika and made him to die. Later they spread, so they themselves, British only killed Venkatappa Naika, and later said that they spread a false news that he committed suicide. Means who committed? Venkatappa committed suicide. Later, the British gifted Surapura to the Nizam of Hyderabad. So after that, as Nizam helped British to hand over this Nalvadi Venkatappa Naika, so Britishers gave that Surapura to Nizams only. Then the successor of Surapura province spent their time under the Nizam. Finally, when the province of Nizam of Hyderabad merged with the Indian Union on September 17th, 1948, Surapura also merged with India. So after independence, when this Nizams of Hyderabad was merged, means entered into the Indian Union on September 7th, at that time Surapura, which was under the control of Nizam, that also merged with India. The Surapura Naikas have contributed to the field of culture. Their role still finds resonance in the minds of people. Due to their pro-people programs, they built tanks. So means their rule was so good that even people remember them nowadays. How? Why? Because they planned everything and they did the work. So they built tanks, temples. They built tanks, temples, wells, forts, and palaces. Many Jahagirs that is land gifts were given, and they had provided Inam land to sustain the worship of their patron god Venkataramana at Tirupati. So Inam means gifted land. They gifted the land to worship the god deity, that is Venkataramana, which is in Tirupati, and Gopala Swami. They had offered patronage to many artists, means they have encouraged artists by giving them facilities, sculptures, musicians. Many literary works of good value were written during their time. They are they were known for their religious tolerance. The Surapura rulers always accorded prominent place in painting. Prominent place to paintings. The design and technique of Surapura paintings are of high quality. The Surapura paintings stand unique from Vijayanagara, Vijayapura and Mysuru painting. Unique means it is different from whatever the painting done by Vijayanagara, Vijayapura and Mysuru. These paintings can be seen in museums of London and Salarjung Museum in Hyderabad. Salarjung Museum. This the painting which was done during the time of Surapura, that is Venkatappa Naika, that you can find in the museums of London and also in the Hyderabad. The museum name is Salarjung Museum. Thank you.